Ladies and gentlemen, you ever walk into someone's house and feel like your socks aren't worthy of the flooring? Yeah, that's exactly how I felt the first time I saw the tiny house built by Beau Werf, founder of Land Carpentry and Constructions in Australia. This thing is so classy, I nearly apologized to the door before knocking. Beau didn't just build a house on wheels, he built a tiny temple of timbered taste that could make a full-sized McMansion feel like a storage shed. Now let's talk specs. 25.5 feet, 7.8 meters long, 7.8 feet, 2.4 meters wide, and 13.7 feet, 4.2 meters high. Built on a road-legal triple-axle trailer, it's no XXL behemoth. Beau didn't overcompensate, but every inch is optimized with van-inspired genius. And yeah, the starting price might cause a little eyebrow spasm. But let's be real, with materials like Tasmanian oak countertops and cypress pine floors, you're not buying a house, you're investing in domestic poetry. That's what sold me. Inspired by camper van tech, this hideaway table slides out when you're hungry and disappears when you're done. Kinda like my buddy Dave when it's time to do dishes. The dual-sided bathroom is another brilliant touch. One half for laundry, the other for a tiled shower with recessed shelves, all connected to the loft bedroom through a private staircase hidden inside the bathroom. I mean, who thinks of that? The lounge? Elevated for privacy and squirrel watching. Full-size kitchen? Yes. Storage? So much! I thought he had Narnia hiding back there. It even has a rear storage bump, ideal for winter gear or that surfboard you've used exactly once. All of this lives under arched Mediterranean-style doors, golden fixtures, and enough ambient light to make you forget it's technically a mobile home. Whether you're a tiny home lover, a design nerd, or just someone who wants to one-up their smug neighbor Greg, this house delivers.